Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do subscribe the channel to see all the numericals related to the calculation of real GDP, nominal GDP or GDP deflator. So I have written two statements over here. According to first statement, the values, which are the values given? Number 1, nominal GNP is equal to rupees 4,000, and while calculating GNP for the same year at constant prices GNP means real GNP, the value is 3,500, and we have to calculate GNP deflator. Formula is nominal GNP divided by real GNP or multiplied by 100. So let us put the value. Nominal GDP value is 4,000 divided by 3,500 multiplied by 100. So it would be equivalent to 800 divided by 7, and the calculations will be 114.3. So GNP deflator is equal to 114.3. This will be the answer, 114.3. In our second statement, whatever is given, assuming real income to be rupees 200 and price index is to be 135, and we have to calculate nominal income. Nominal income is equal to read or real income multiplied by price index divided by 100. Read income, which is real income. So let us put the values. Nominal income is equal to 200 multiplied by 135 and divided by 100, and the answer will be 270 crore rupees. So the value of nominal income is equal to rupees 270 crore. So this will be the answer. So 270 crore rupees. So in this way we can calculate, either we have to calculate real GDP, nominal GDP or GDP deflator. So that's all regarding this video. Thank you.